Have you ever wondered why some stains on your teeth seem impossible to remove no matter how much you brush? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have naturally whiter teeth while others struggle with stubborn stains? Join us as we journey into the realm of dental aesthetics, exploring the science and artistry behind erasing stubborn stains from our teeth. Kindly tell us at the comment section below what methods have you tried in the past to remove stubborn stains from your teeth and what were the outcomes. 1. Brushing with baking soda, a mild abrasive that can help remove surface stains. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste. Then brush your teeth with it for a couple of minutes. Rinse thoroughly afterward. 2. Using hydrogen peroxide. This has bleaching properties, making it effective in removing teeth stains. Dilute hydrogen peroxide with water in a 1:1 ratio. Then swish it around your mouth for a minute or two, then swish it around your mouth for a minute or two. 3. Using activated charcoal, with absorbent properties that can bind to stains in the teeth and help remove them. Wet your toothbrush, dip it in powdered activated charcoal, and gently brush your teeth for a few minutes. Rinse thoroughly afterward. For more of this video, please like, comment and subscribe.